All right, YouTube, man, we got the head gaskets. They done came in. And we also got the bolts. So first thing we about to do, we about to go ahead and, well, piston is already at top dead center. Yep, it's already at top dead center. So what we about to do now is take off the pulley. So let's get ready to take this pulley off. I'm gonna buy me a torch, see if I can heat the bolt up and it'll come off like that. So let's get this old torch for 25, see if it'll come off. All right, we got the torch here. However, it's supposed to be hooked up. I'm guessing it just... Got it out of there. See, it's smoking. Oh, we got it out of there. Put a little heat on it. Got it out of there. So now let's put the harmonic balancer puller off. Get started. So let's do that first. Put it back at top dead center. That's it. Get back at top dead center. All right, we hit top dead center. Now let's try to get these bolts off. All right, before I even, where we at top dead center, as you can see, there goes the dot, and the other dot down there. Can't see it, but that dot is down there. I see the dot? See the dot. See the dot. Top dead center. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take the trays and the lifters out. All right, so what we got to do now, cam bolts, cam sprocket off. Get them off. Take the chain off. Take my time. She wrote. Cam is out. Lube up the new cam. Get it started. We got to lube up the new cam. They say this driven stuff is pretty good, pretty thick. It stays on there pretty long. Cause I don't know when I'm gonna drop the motor in there, so I don't want the lube to drip off of the cam, but I don't know. So let's just lube it. Lube it down. Man, that stuff is pretty thick. Wow. Real thick. Yeah, this stuff here ought to last. Ought to sit on that cam for however long I put it in the engine. It's pretty thick. It's pretty thick there. All right. Let's drive it home. Drive it home. She almost home, y'all. And she is. She at home. Boom. Cam is installed.